Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Brenna and Beers, where I drink my favorite beer and do this super cute hairstyle. Please check it out. Thanks. The fuck was that? Whatever. Okay guys, so first things first in this tutorial. How we're gonna section the hair, we're doing a half up style. So what you're gonna do is put both fingers at the tippity top of your ear, like that. And you're gonna trace along your scalp up all the way until the very top of your head. And when you do it this way, your fingers will meet, so it'll be even on both sides without having to do too much work. Clip that out of the way. And then with the back, I'm gonna put it out of the way so we're not worried about it until actual styling. Since I showered last night, I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse in my hair and just helps to hold it, help the ponytail look a little more sleek, you know what I'm saying? This is R&CO Rodeo Star. You can use whatever mousse you want. Working it in, working it in. Man, my boss always makes fun of me because of my accent. I mean, all the country people that are watching this or that watch my videos probably don't even notice it, but all my city friends, they just die laughing at me because I have such a weird accent. Oh, damn, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm taking another little breaky poo. Don't judge me. I got so many people hooked on that creamsicle beer, it's not even funny. Like my best friend, girl Morgan, whoever else, my cousin Tracy, which bitch, I know you're gonna be watching this video. What's up? Okay, so this shirt is a little trash. Like it's cute, but then I'm just living my life, and always for some reason, this side comes down and it's like, it's just not cute at that point. Okay, so I just have one of these normal elastic ponytails, whatever. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail now. I'm trying to tell if it's center. Look in a mirror when you're doing this. I'm not looking in a mirror, so I really hope it's center, because you don't want to do it and then it's like off, then you kind of have to redo the whole thing. I'm just gonna go with what feels right. Hopefully that'll work. It's so sleek and tight. Ooh. And remember, if you're feeling bumpies when you're brushing it, like keep going and hold it taut. If it's not staying in place, it might be too clean, so you want to use product or whatever. So if you ever want to make your ponytails a little more perky, use two and it just holds it up a little more straight. So that's what, I don't feel like I necessarily need it right now because it's feeling like really good, but just so I can show you guys. I'm using another just like black ponytail, whatever, boom. Just put another one on and it makes it more stable. And so we are going to cover up these ponytails, and remember, that makes it look a little more chic without having to do too much work. I'm going to find a long piece of hair that's kind of along the edge. It's thick enough and long enough where it could wrap around a few times, especially if you are using two ponytails. That's a lot of shit you gotta cover and hide. So you gotta make sure it's kind of thicker and a little longer, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse. Just a bitty bit. Work it into that one piece that you're gonna be wrapping around. This helps it hold really good. This is something you wanna do when you're wrapping hair around a ponytail, is use product. It makes it freaking hold, dude. Use a little bit of hairspray maybe. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb it out so it's nice and smooth. And then just start wrapping. Switching hands, making sure it's taut and that you're wrapping all around those ponytails. And again, do this in a fucking mirror. Don't be like me. Don't be a fool, man. Don't be a sucker. Look in the mirror, because this might look pretty, a little jank maybe. Maybe. Might also look bomb because I'm a hairstylist. I'm trying to show you guys. What I'm doing is taking the bobby pin, putting the hair through it, and fuck. Man, like whatever. Keep jumping. I'm gonna put the hair through it, and then I'm gonna go down like this, pick up some hair, and then go back the other way underneath like that. Putting the hair in, going back, picking up some hair and then flipping it on itself. Boom. 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 I put two bobby pins in when I'm holding this piece here. Always want to do 2 bobby pins, and as long as they're crossing at some point, whether it's like this, whether it's like that or that, whatever, they lock onto each other and they freaking hold. As opposed to one, it's just gonna slip out, but if that one's trying to slip out with something else crossing it, it can't. So I'm gonna flat iron it. There's a few different things that you guys can do too, or maybe I should do some sort of curl. Maybe I'll do a curl, and that way I can show you guys how to do that, because it's like everyone knows how to flat iron their hair. That's boring. I'm gonna show you guys something a little more fun. Okay, so I'm gonna curl my hair. Y'all know what it's about. Use heat protectant. This is Kevin Murphy Eversmooth. I love it. It smells good. It makes you smell like a fresh girl, which who the frick does not like to smell like that? Oh, shirt's about to get a little not classy again. Fuck, that smells good. If you're drinking beer and doing anything, anything's gonna be a good time. Come on, we all know that. It's no secret. I've actually never done this style and curled it, so we'll see how this turns out. Usually I flat iron it, but I wanna do something different for you guys. Everyone knows how to flat iron their hair. Ooh, definitely do not want it at 430. Do not wanna burn this shit. Ooh, I'm not doing the best job. There's gonna be kinks all over this shit. Oh. Just says it's all kinked out. I can tell it's kinked out. Fuck. Oh well, what are you gonna do? My arms are getting tired. Fuck. It looks okay, but I want to show y'all how it looks like when it's flat ironed, which is my favorite. So let's do that. It's just a little more sexy. I'm into it. I like how it's beveled, which means curled in a little. Take your flat iron and inwards a little, and you'll be good. But I like it when the ponytail sits just like that. So I'm gonna back comb it a little. Spray, cover your face, spray along there, and take the side of your comb. Don't dig in, take just the side and go like that. And it'll just get rid of those little flyaways and make it look more sleek. Only done one beard through this tutorial. What kind of loser am I? Now I'm ready for a whole day of sitting on my couch, you know what I'm saying? This part is a little fucking jank. Once again, I'm not a perfect angel, but don't tell me overall this don't look cute, you know? So some things are gonna be a little fucky, especially your first maybe time or two trying this, but it's really easy once you get it. Every girl's put a ponytail in her life. It just takes a little bit more push to get this look. Now you know I'm drunk. Fuck. Yo, does someone want to come over and sit way over on the far side of my yard, and I'll sit on the other side, and we'll have a FaceTime. It's almost like we're really hanging out. I feel like that'd be a good time. Oh, who's got $20 for some Budweiser? Okay, what else do country people say? You wanna go booze cruising tonight, boys? Huh? Oh, you wanna go to a social next Saturday? You can't, cause hashtag Corona. You know what I always say? People are just trying to do the best that they can. And you can't blame them for who they are, what they do, when they make mistakes. So just fuck off and worry about your own self. Don't tell me I don't sound like Ricky. I've been called Bubbles from Trailer Park Boys, but I sound more like Ricky. I don't know, I think I've got enough footage now, but this is fun. I'm gonna FaceTime people. So if I FaceTime, now you're gonna see what I look like and watch this video, you're gonna be like, hey, that bitch did FaceTime me. What's up?